Here's a water heater. It's made by Philips. It has buttons here at the handle. Power button, keep warm and set temperature. Okay, and the model is visible here on the bottom. HD 4685, made in Poland. Put that there. The cap is this. It's plastic on the outside, plastic on the inside, and metal on the bottom. That has to be the sensor in the lower right corner. It has a protection here on the side, and this cap has a cut, a flat side that goes there. Open and close. If you rotate it to the right, it's not coming off. If you rotate it to the left, then it is coming off. Okay, and first you have to power it on. If it's not on, then it's not doing anything. So power is coming from that one. Put it on, set temperature. That's the current temperature. It already reached 40 degrees because I used it a little bit before. So that's the desired temperature. Let's set it to 60 and power it on. Now it's on because it is red here also. Now it's off because it is dark. So this is the power. So set it to 60 and enable it from here. When it's flashing, it's heating it. It reached the 40 degrees mark. It's making a noise. It's not boiling, but okay, it reached the 60 also. We can see bubbles there. We can set it to, let's say, 80. Power it on. Now it should make noise again. It should not boil because it did not reach the 100 degrees. It reached the 80 and it powered off, so the power button is not lit. It has a keep warm function, so if the temperature drops, then it should power itself on. Let's just test that. Add a little bit of cold water. Now it's heating it up to 80. And it stopped. It's not flashing, but it's active because the keep warm is there. Cold water. And the temperature difference was noticed, and it's warming it again because the keep warm is active. Let's stop the light. Now it's more visible. So if the temperature drops, then this function keeps it warm, keeps it at 80 degrees Celsius, and it's done. It even powered itself off, so it will not heat it once again. These are not on, and adding cold water, now it's not going to heat it. Now it decided to power itself off. The amount of water is visible here, and it's visible on the other side also. And that internal portion, that one, it's not letting the herbs come out if you are making tea. And that's the bottom of the device. Here we have the electric connection. And here's the detachable filter. It looks like this.